Hey guys, today is very special for me. I am making Ray's third birthday cake. Yes, my baby became 3 years old. So her birthday was 2 days ago and I made sprinkle madrines with her. I made a video, so if you haven't watched it, please do. I was thinking, what should I make? And I had tons of ideas, but I think I'm gonna go with this. I'm going to make a flower cake that resembles this outfit. And of course, I'm not gonna do exactly the same. I will change the design a little bit. I just love this dress, this flower design, how it flows. By the way, this is the video of her second birthday party last year. I also let her wear this dress. As you can see, she looked much more baby and you can really see how much she has grown through a year. So let's get started. To make the cake, I used this butter cake recipe this time. I'll leave the link of the tutorial in the description below. I wanted to make the cake nice and tall with flower motif on top, so I made it a little bit thick, and I'm going to use this homemade strawberry jam. If you would like to learn how to make this, also watch this video. It explains all the details there. So I'm going to do very thin layer of strawberry jam. This is cream mousseline. Watch this video to see how you can make very fluffy and smooth mousseline cream. But today, I'm going to use this as filling. You see the pieces of raspberries here and there. So instead of rum and vanilla extract in the recipe, I added the same amount of raspberry preserve I had in a freezer. And this is the French buttercream. I'm applying base coat first, chill, and apply final coat. To learn how to make the buttercream, watch this tutorial, or for all the videos and tutorials I mentioned today, I'll leave the links in the description below. So, it's paint time. I bought this brush set for the painting today. It was pretty affordable and did the works. So for your reference, I'll leave the links of this and also some of the tools I used today in the description below as well. Okay. So first, I wanted to paint one big beautiful flower as the leading role of this painting. So that's what I am doing right here. Just like the regular watercolor painting, I am adjusting the color and texture by adding water as I go. And now I'm adding some, the smaller flowers around it. So as you can see, the painting looks pretty flat right now. It had some pale pink and red. So I'm right now adding more darker colors to add more depth and contrast in the painting. And when I got here, I realized I used too much red and warm colors all around and definitely needed more green or blue to kind of stand the flowers out. So that's what I'm doing right now. Two days ago, I saw a peacock at the pet farm. This reminds me of the the peacock. Alright. So, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I was not planning to make this type of, how do you call it? Very dynamic style flowers. But I like it. We'll see how it looks with buttercream flowers. So, using the same buttercream, I'm making red buttercream. At this point, I did not have much time left and could only do simple flowers. So, I'm doing very simple red flower and also red and white kind of marbled flowers, which you'll see later. But I was so rushed, guys. The time was so limited, so I could not do flowers. I was originally thinking using a lot more colors. But it is what it is. I'm glad it came together in the end. To create the marble, I used plain buttercream with a little bit of lead buttercream here and there before I wrap it up with plastic wrap and insert in a pastry bag. I'm using buttercream as glue and attach flowers. Make sure your cake was chilled in the fridge right before and your flowers are completely set chilled in the fridge or freezer right before as well. I recommend freezer because it is more powerful, but that way it is so easy to decorate without messing them up. For leaf, I'm adding some red coloring to the green buttercream to match the tone with the painting, and pipe around flowers very randomly, hide some imperfections, and I'm adding some dots to add just a little bit more details. I'm going to add gold leaf to make it look a little bit more gorgeous, and that's it. And I'm gonna surprise her. See you later. Can you turn? Beautiful. Hi, Princess Ray Ray. That's so cute. Hold up. Happy birthday! Then it's a birthday cake. Do you wanna put the candles and then blow?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. So you're gonna be 3 years old. 1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
So strong. All right, I'm just gonna turn off the light. We're gonna sing a song. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ray Ray. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Hey, bro. Good job, Lele. That was strong. Happy birthday, Ray Ray. Baby. How does it taste like? Is it yummy?
Like chocolate.
Alright, let me cut. I want a piece. Ooh. What did I do?
For me.
Ta-da!
Yay!
We're gonna do something fun. Ready?
I can do it, Mama.
1, 2, 3. Ah! Go ahead. 1, 2, 3. Yay! 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3. Ah! 1, 2, 3.
Come inside my feet. They're gonna go for breakfast.
Chocolate.
Some glasses, some ladies. Look at this.
Look at her cute feet.
Ladies.
How is it?
Cake.
I love the raspberry dessert. Raspberry is very subtle. I can't really taste.
It's like it.
Then maybe there's a slight flavor, smell.
They eat them with tea.
Oh. Okay, Mama shouldn't eat too much. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This was success. She loved them. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And stay safe. And I'll see you in my next video.
Yeah.
Come here, Tagalin. Tagalin, come here. Hey, buddy.
Some glasses. That's the way they fall.